oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, having so much fun with 11.1, oh yeah. This chapter is probability and statistics. So first we're just going to get into the basics of probability. So the photos show you Maryland license plates in 2004 and 1912. How many more? Now you have to be careful with these problems because it might seem super easy, but it says how many more style license plates were possible in 1912. So first I have to figure out how many possible solutions do I have in the year 2004. Well, when you're looking at this, you first have to know how many letters there are in the alphabet, and there's 26. So when I have 3 letters, you can have repeating letters. You have 26 options, and then you have 26 options, and then you have 26 options. With probability, when you hear the word and, actually just in math in general, and means you multiply. I have 3 digits then. Now 0 is a number, so there's technically 10 options here. So you have 10 options, and then 10, and then 10. So, in the year 2014, 1, 7, 5, 7, 6, 0, 0, 0. There are 17,576. Now in 1912, I have 4 different options, and it was only with numbers. So I would subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 10,000. That's this spot, you can't tell. So there are 17,566,000 more different options I could have. Just think. And all I did was add 26 times 3. So I want you to do B by yourself. So now we're talking about 2 different actual orders that we can have. So finding a number in permutation. This is where you're going to be saying that order matters. Permutation, order matters. Because it would matter if you got first place compared to third place. Order matters. And how many ways can you file 12 folders, one after another in a drawer? Now, permutation has a P right here. Now, in this case, you have 12 total folders. So your total goes right here. And you're choosing all 12 of them because you're putting them one in after another. Now, there's a special spot in your graphing calculator. So take out that graphing calculator right now if you didn't already have it out. I'm going to tell you what you should be typing because you should know where these buttons are. So first, push the math button. And then arrow to the right 3 times, if it could be 4 times, for the prob, P-R-O-B. And then you should see a symbol that looks like this. Now this is going to be able to do the math for us, which makes it easy. And then push enter. Now some calculators you might have to type in the first number, so in this case the first number is 12, before you actually go and push the math button. So since order matters here, so even flip-flopping one folder would make it different. This right here is how many different options. You could order 12. So for B, how many ways can you order 8 shirts? And so the order matters. How many different ways? So you have a total of 8 shirts and you're choosing 8. Again, you might have to push the 8 and then push math, arrow over to probability, and down to the NPR, push enter, 8, choose 8. By golly, there's 40,320 different ways you could order 8 shorts. That's nuts. And then please try C by yourself. Now in this case, actually I'll help you do the first thing. Whoopsies. You have 10 people, so that would be here. And you are doing first, second, and third. So you're choosing only 3 people from the 10. So here we have to determine if it's permutation combination. So first we have to know what combination is. Combination is saying order doesn't matter. Combination is me saying, hey, there's 5 people in the classroom, and I'm going to pick 2 people to go grab something from the office for me. It doesn't matter the order that I picked the 2 people. There wasn't a first and a second, but just 2 people from a group. So first determine if it's permutation combination, and then actually answer the question. So a chemistry teacher divides his class into 8 groups. Each group submits 1 drawing of a molecular structure of water. That's cool. He will select 4 of the drawings to display. In how many ways can he select the 4 drawings? Now, it doesn't say that he's going to put a ranking on it. It doesn't say that he's going to rank them first to fourth. So this would be a combination. It does not matter the order. So if it does not matter, it would be combination. You have 8 groups, and he's choosing 4. So again, when you're doing this, you might have to push the 8 first. And then you go to math again. You go over to prob, and then we have a combination, which looks like this. And you type or push enter, go down to combination, push enter. The 8, the larger number, always goes first. There's 70 different ways that you could do this. For the second question, you will draw winners from a total of 25 tickets. First ticket wins 100, second ticket 50, third ticket 10. So I have to think, does order matter? Would it matter if I was first compared to third? Yeah, $90 difference, so it would be permutation. 25 tickets in the raffle, and you're choosing 3 of them. Again, sometimes, depending on your calculator, you don't always have to type in the 25 first, but you might. So there's 13,800 different ways that you can choose it. Try C by yourself. Now, one thing, if I have a factorial, this is this right here. Note, factorial, this is the exclamation point. So let's say if I have 5. Really what this is saying is you start with the number that's given. In this case, like this is n. And I would go 5, and then you take 1 away and you're multiplying them all together. So in this case, if I were doing 5 factorial, I'll multiply 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. If I was doing 3 factorial, it would be 3 times 2 times 1, so that would be equal to 6. 12 factorial would be 12 times 11. However, if you go, again, if you type in 12, push math, go to probability, they have a factorial button. I think it's number 4. So you could type in your calculator this, and it does the math for you so that you don't have to figure out what all those numbers multiplied together are. Jeez, that's a lot. So I want you to try to do 7 factorial by yourself. And then you have a great day. No, not just a great day, a grand day. Wait, what am I saying? A great, grand, wonderful day.